It's a hard thing, realizing people aren't who you want them to be. It feels different coming home. There's a real emptiness.
I think Bruce feels guilty leaving behind the world he knows.
It's like I'm always running away from something. Like the past is breathing down my neck.
I don't have to tell you, we got to hit it out of the park with the next record. Bruce Springsteen's on a rocket ship. We don't want to miss that window.
You label it, once you have your first top 10, they're just thinking about momentum.
I'm trying to find something real. These new songs different, but they're the only thing I can still believe in.
Then we'll get it. Whatever it takes.
Well, they blew up the Chicken Man in Philly last night. Now they blew up.
This is a highly unorthodox career move.
But that's the point. He's channeling something deeply personal. But we believe in Bruce Springsteen.
Everything dies, honey, that's
Songwriting's a funny thing. And it's about searching for something that's gonna give your life a little bit of meaning.
what you make up all.
This is where you're meant to go.
Don't need to be perfect. I just want it to feel right.
Maybe everything that dies someday comes back.